Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Monster Hunter Wilds crash on startup error on your PC. The first thing you should do is completely close Steam. Make sure Steam is not still running in the background by checking the system tray and closing it if needed. After that, restart your computer. If the game still crashes, the next step is to run Steam and the game as an administrator. Open Steam, right-click its shortcut, and choose Run as Administrator. You can also open the game's local files from Steam, find the Monster Hunter Wilds executable file, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. If the problem continues, verify the game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click Monster Hunter Wilds and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan all installed files and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. This process may take several minutes depending on your drive speed and the size of the game. Thanks for watching.